Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to subscribe to all the emails, annoying ones that you just receiving on your email, and some random applications that you synchronize previously with your Google account, and your drive storage is like fully in with those emails that it is not necessarily in your email address. So the thing is guys, how to unsubscribe all in one steps, or let's say few steps. All what you need to go just then you just show search option, then here guys just create filter, and then you will just press skip the inbox archive it when you're just receiving from the subscription mails, and then you will just apply the label here, create new label called subscribe, create this label, and then you will just also apply filter, create filter. After that guys, all what you need to do is just go to subscribe section, which is contain all the email subscription in your email. So here, let's say that you want to say unsubscribe, just press unsubscribe. All you just want to delete all the previous emails for this subscribe emails. All what you need to do is just right click, then here find emails from vidIQ. It's just an example that I received everything, and here for the filter just press most recent, and then press here all, and then all what you need to do which is delete them. So here you just delete the subscribe emails. You will not receive once again, and all it is labeled in this section. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.